Most of the pupils try to install n8n, but they faces incredible errors. Without this error, you don't have to resolve it. I spent 3 hours to resolve this problem, how you can do it and how you can update your Docker. Whenever you have to install n8n in your Windows, you have faces this problem that you have to open the terminal and get updated. And I'm gonna show you that how you can do it step by step. Make sure you have to watch this video till end. First of all, you have to come on Windows and type Docker. Whenever you have to type Docker, you have to select Windows and open the Windows command. After that, there is a three options that you have to follow. There is the 64-bit. Make sure you have to follow and also check your Windows specifications. After that, you have to select 64-bit. I have already installed in my computer. And after that, you have to come and open your Docker. They want update and you have to face these type of errors in your Windows. And after that, by solving this one, you need one thing. They also have a commands. Whatever you have to open these type of commands, and you have to solve it by the following steps. First of all, you have to open in the right corner. There's a terminal. Whenever you open this terminal, they needs commands to follow and get updates. Whenever you open this command section, and whenever you have to come here, first of all you have to write bash vsl update, and you have to come here and paste it. And by the way, I also create a PDF that where you can get it in my description. And make sure you have to also get updates, and you have to follow these steps to install Docker in your computer. And after that, you will easy to get your n8n in your Windows. Whenever you update, I already did these things. And first of all, you have to do bash vsl, and after that they also update it. And after that, after some time, they got loading, and you have to copy and paste it right now in here. And I already have updated, and I don't want that they have to becomes more errors in my Docker. And let me show you that you have to follow these steps. I'm gonna give you in my description. You have to do one by one. Wait until the packages get installed, and you make sure you have to restart your Windows. And after that, you have to paste this one, VSL set default. And after that, update your Linux distribution. You don't need to install VirtualBox or Linux in your computer. There's a terminal, you have to do it, and easily you have to get these whenever you follow these steps, the Docker sections and beta and all these sections will come after this. And make sure after that you have to come on volume and close this terminal window. And after that, create and write n8n data. And whenever you write n8n data, I have already created just these things. You press enter, and this will automatically gets ready. And after that, whenever you come on this side, you have to also write n8n, and you open this one, and there's a container name. Make sure you have to write your own name, and you write Vase. I am also writing my own name. And in port 5678, there is a number. This is also already in this section. They are already inserted. And after that, you have to come on this section. You write n8n data. And after that, whenever you come on container path, you write slash home slash node slash dot n8n. And after that, you have to press run. And whenever they get so much loading, after that they will continue. And make sure whenever you download it, you need some things which is very necessary. And there is the important things you make sure to know about this. And our terminal is getting ready now. We have to run this one. Your Docker will be ready whenever you follow these steps and make sure it is fully updated and ensure VirtualBox is enabled in your BIOS and Windows system for Linux. This will be automatically that's enabled. As you see, now we have an access of our n8n, and first of all they also get pop-up that you have to sign in. Whenever you have signed in your n8n and you get access, skip all the procedures they have showed you, and after that you have to open your own self-hosted n8n. And as you see, we have able to access this one. I also created many workflows. Make sure you have to join my community, and after that you have to create any workflow that will be accessible. And make sure whenever you have created any data, any kind of automation workflow in there, that also stored in your n8n data. And in the next video I'm going to show you that how you can connect Google APIs. Make sure you have a Gmail account, you have Google Sheet, that will be easily to connect by the help of n8n. Whenever you connect Google Docs and Google Drive, they want a API, and you have to go and you have to face many problems. And by the way, I'm gonna show you that how you can fix that problem in the next video. So make sure you have to follow me and subscribe it, and we're gonna meet in another video.